Hey, what's up guys? So update all of you doing well. So today in this video I will show you some of the top features and a side-by-side comparison of the OneUi 7 update versus the OneUi 6.1 update. So as you know that the OneUi 7 update is now rolling out on many older flagship models, and you can get to see this update by simply going into the settings, then tapping on software update and download and install. So in this video I will share some of the top changes that are available with this update. So the first change that you will notice after the update are the app icons. The app icons are redesigned with the OneUi 7 update. On the right side we have the app icons of the OneUi 7 update, and on the left side we have the app icons of the OneUi 6.1 update. You can see all the app icons like phone, camera and settings are changed with the OneUi 7 update. And the next thing that you will notice is in the control panel. So the control panel is now redesigned with the OneUi 7 update. On the right side we have the control panel of the OneUi 7 update, and on the left side we have the control panel of the OneUi 6.1 update. Now moving on to the next change, so the camera app is redesigned with the OneUi 7 update. As you can see, on the right side we have the OneUi 7 camera app, and on the left side we have the OneUi 6.1 camera app. The OneUi 7 camera app looks a lot more cleaner, and all the main settings are easy to access with the OneUi 7 camera app. Also, you get to see this exposure option with the OneUi 7 camera app. Also, with the OneUi 7 update, you will get to see this now bar to track your live activities. Also, this now bar is available in the lock screen. As you can see, this now bar will track all your live activities like Google Maps, Spotify or many more. A next small change is in the volume rocker. As you can see, the volume rocker of the OneUi 7 on the right side is quite different and modern from the left side of the OneUi 6.1. And the main thing with the OneUi 7 that I like the most is the animations. The animations while opening and closing of the apps are a lot more smoother than before. As you can see, on the right side we have the animations of the OneUi 7, and on the left side these are the animations of the OneUi 6.1. Also, this battery percentage icon over here is also changed with the OneUi 7 update. As you can see, this side-by-side comparison. The right one is the OneUi 7 battery percentage icon, and the left one is of OneUi 6.1. The next change is in the recent app section. As you can see, the recent app section of the OneUi 6.1 and the OneUi 7 on the right side is redesigned. And not only that, the charging animation is also changed with the OneUi 7 update. This is how the charging animation looks in the OneUi 6.1, and this is how the charging animation looks on the OneUi 7 update. So these are some of the new UI changes that are coming up with the OneUi 7 update. Do let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet, and are you facing any issues with the OneUi 7 update or not. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick comparison between the OneUi 7 update and the OneUi 6.1 update, also the Android 14 and Android 15. So if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, and I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.